Oh, wow. February. Goodbye. So long. Don't let the door hit you on the way out. Oh my gosh. February was... Welcome to my channel, by the way. Hello. How are you? I'm just seeing a ballad of February. It snowed a lot. Everybody in my house got sick, including me. My son got strep throat. It was nuts. I think between winter break, snow days, and sick days, my son went to school like a total of 4 or 5 days for the month. And yeah, like whatever. But we got a kitten. And I can't stop talking about it, and it's like I gave birth to her. It's that exciting for us because there are people who talk less about the children they give birth to than this kitten that we adopted. She's right now under my bed. I can see her moving the bed skirt. She's just like, oh, you're so busy. Come here. You want to try on some lipstick? Anyway, okay, I'll link the videos below that talk about her more. Or show her. Oh my God, wait, though, she's right here. Hi, honey. Everybody gets to see you in a new light each video. Wait, no, not there. Let's show them your tuxedo. Look at your little tuxedo. You're like a little Diane Keaton, all fashion forward on the red carpet. Pluto was, okay, stop kissing. Okay, shall we go? Okay, bye. Pluto was that little when we got him, and littler, and I couldn't remember if he was quite the monkey, but he was. And I was like, oh no, he climbed up on the outside of the banister of the stairs, and I'm like, oh, he did? Oh, good, because she's doing that. She's climbing, our stairs are carpeted. And so they go kind of, you know, in a curve, and there's the banister that drops down to the hardwoods, and she climbs up the carpet on the outside of the banister all the way up, and I'm just like going, oh. So don't think that just because cats land on their feet and all this stuff and they've got great balance, they injure themselves. And cats falling from windows and ledges are a huge cause of broken limbs, broken back. We actually think Pluto like slipped a disc because, well, he fell in the washing machine once, and he's also jumped probably from, well, like our mantle ledge, which isn't that high, but he has had some pain and loss of balance and sort of issues that we're trying to work with him. And yeah, and so we're like, I think he got injured, and the vet's like, yeah, they get injured and they hurt themselves, and then the damage is permanent and blah, blah. Okay, enough about cats, but maybe I should have another channel. Cat Talk with Frugi. Alrighty guys, it's time for February favorites, and thank goodness we're done. What do we talk about first? You guys, I always throw in a hair care product. Well, no, I don't, but let's say I do. I'm gonna throw this one in. This I got at Target. It was new on. It was on an end cap of new products. It's Nexus. It is Revived Curls, Shape, and Moisture. And I'm like, what's this? Between washes, cream spray for curly hair. I have wavy hair. In the summer, I like to embrace kind of more of the curl, the frizz. And basically what this is it's not aerosol, but it has a really good mist. I don't think you can see that. It has a really good mist, and it is intended to kind of just like, not really a dry shampoo, but kind of like a tresses reviver. So you can like spritz it, let it dry, and like either scrunch or work your curls, or let it dry and then use any kind of hot tool touch up you want. So I use this on old hair, new hair, whatever. It smells so good. If you like the smell of gardenia, of lily, of any of that kind of classic floral, it reminds me so much of the Jouer body lotion that they don't make, but it's like limited edition and it's gorgeous. It smells like a garden. And so if you, some people are wild about the smell of gardenia, and to me, that's what this smells like. It's like perfume for your hair. It smells as good or better than high-end, really expensive hair products. Okay, you guys, let's talk about my lashes. I will link the XLASH demo video for you in talking about how I only put XLASH serum on this eye for 2 months. This eye is starting to catch up, but I have long luscious lashes because of XLASH. How many times can I say XLASH? And here it is. I have a code. I will link things below. You guys, I'm gonna link stuff below. So just assume I have a link or a code or something so I don't have to keep saying this. Okay, so XLASH serum, they sent this to me. I used it on my own. They did not pay me to use it. And now I'm like, I love this. And they were like, they were so sweet. They were like, we didn't ask you to just do one eye, you know? I mean, you are nuts and we love that. And I'm like, oh no, you know, it was all my idea and I'm totally fine with, I like, you know, yeah. Will I shave off one eyebrow and use their growth serum for eyebrows to demonstrate? No. No, I won't go those lengths, but get it? Lengths. Good stuff. Does not irritate, which so many lash serums irritate my eyes. And it's not crazy expensive. So some serums are fabulous and they are expensive. Some serums have the potential to like change your iris color or just be irritating, and even though they're safe, you can still get kind of an irritation from them. And so this does not do that. And it also ships worldwide, and I've seen some lash serums that I love, but they're only like, you know, I see the results and I'm like, I want that. And then they're only in the UK. So I love the universal beauty of this product. And speaking of lashes, Mile High Mascara from Wander Beauty is phenomenal. I bought this and I ordered it from their website. It's very fibrous-y, but not like clumpy and falling in your eyes. And it just really lengthens and gives volume, and I love it. Wander Beauty they have won, I believe, Best of Beauty for Allure and Style for their other mascara. Like they're award-winning. And so this is awesome. And I really hope that it's going to be like in Sephora and other places soon, because I think right now it's just on their website. Okay. Oh, you guys, I'm not, spoiler, okay. This is just a sample from Sephora. It's the Pat McGrath Fetishize Mascara. It's awesome. It's really good. And I hate it. I hate that it's so good. I'll talk about more later, but just, you heard it from me, it's good. We have several products you guys saw me review this month, and I will feature which ones I really like and reach for constantly, and they are Kosas Oil Tint Foundation. This is beautiful and lovely, and I'm wearing it today. I've mixed it with the Fawera, this serum foundation that is like tons of coverage, really, well, it is kind of actually a creamy texture, from Amazon, really cheap, but really good. The two of them combined kind of give this nice, yeah, like you're giving kind of more of the coverage to this, and then this is kind of giving the slip and moisture here. So I love mixing this with other foundations. And we saw, you guys, the Cover FX Gripping Primer. I love this, and I can feature it a little more. I know I've only kind of touched on it. It really does a good job of, it didn't work with this one. That's my disclaimer. Okay, there's a kicker there. But all my other foundations, I really like the Cover FX underneath. It does do a good job of just giving the skin a nice, prepped, smooth appearance, ready for foundation, and giving that foundation a long wear that's smooth and, you know, all that good stuff. The Betsey Johnson makeup from Fragrance Net, that was such a fun little line, and I need to remember that palette was really good. But you guys, this chubby highlight stick, is that what it's called? Sparkle Plenty highlight stick, and it comes together. There's 2 of them. And I have a discount code. Oh, I said I wasn't gonna say that, and I said it. They're just so fun in terms of if you like a highlight stick, you know, something that just goes on sheer and smooth and it's not powder. And I am very impressed by this. And I loved how so many of you, when I was talking about that Betsey Johnson line, and I think because of my demographic, you guys are, you know, born of a different decade than these millennials. And you were like, I love Betsey Johnson and I've known of her forever and this and that. And I loved that. So thank you, because that's great. I also loved that in my Q&A. You liked the boy bands I liked. Okay, Sean Cassidy fans, click like. Okay, I have to talk about City Beauty. I keep showing this on my Instagram and other videos, and it is what I'm wearing. This is their matte liquid lip, and I actually threw a Milani gloss over it though. Pink Nude and Rosewood are like my top 2 of these. This is okay, I'm gonna level with you. I was sent this, right, as PR, so I didn't have to pay for it. It's $35 for a liquid lip. I know that's expensive. I know. Hang on. They also have, this is a clear lip plumper, but this isn't just like, oh, I'm gonna give you some like cinnamon spicy lip product to make your lips look plump. The beauty of this is it is a treatment. So you're getting treatment and color. And I love this, the clear one is great over anything. Hello. And by itself, you can wear it at night. And it has the hyaluronic acid. It has like something spheres, and it helps to build the lip volume here so that you look less, like it's not gonna give you like, look at you, trout mouth, but it's gonna give you just a nice, soft, you know, plump lip. Hi. So yeah, and what is great about the matte formula is that it doesn't dry, and it's, you know, it just, oh, it's beautiful. Like that looks really, you know what I do? I put it on and then I like kind of just smooth over it with my finger. Yeah, and then it just kind of softens it on my lips, and then if I want to do a gloss over it, I do, but sometimes I don't, and it's so comfortable. So my 5-minute beauty, which I know I cheated and I only did half my face and it really was longer than 5 minutes, but Woosh Beauty. If I overthink this, we're in trouble. This palette, these finishing powders, and I swear, you guys, I've been using this right here, contour highlight finishing powder, every day on my face. I love how it glows. I love that it sets everything, and in fact, that's what I'm wearing today. I set my makeup with this. Well, okay, technically, I think I used loose powder, but then I did like my contour, and then I just went over everything with this finishing powder, and it's really nice. It has a sheen. I'm trying to like, it's powder, but it's not powdery. So, Urban Decay Brow Blade, good job. Good job, Urban Decay. I really like this. So it has the skinny pencil on one end, and then it has this little watercolor ink side on the other end, and I feel like it just is neutral. Like brows, but not, like you can do the feathery, you can fill them in, you can do them as hard, you know, filled in as you want or subtle as you want. And I just really like it. So, and Physicians Formula eyeshadow quads that are new at the drugstore. Not the palette, you guys. Not the palette. These. I think this is the healthy, what do they call them? Healthy shadow. The healthy eyeshadow. And this one is Rose Nude. These are beautiful. Everything about this palette right here, you can just use, look at me, hi. You can use the, forget that, that's another video. You can use, they're just really good. They're $7.99 on average, depending on where you get them, where you live, and they're very nice. Physicians Formula has upped their game, and I approve. That's everything, I think. Quick scan of the table. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. I thank you so much for subscribing. I really appreciate you are all so awesome. You leave the nicest comments. You support each other. You support me. Thank you so much. I will leave everything in the description box, so you know you can ask me, but you might get your answer sooner looking in the description box. Because usually I talk about what I'm wearing. Yeah. Okay. Let's have a happy March, shall we? No flu, no snow, and just more kitten time. Okay. I like it. Alrighty, guys. Thanks again, and do all that good stuff. Click the button, subscribe. You got it. I'll see you next time. Bye.